I'm back with the Bighorn Grill. I said I'd do an updated video on Monday. It's a couple days later. I've been really busy, and this weather. I really want to use the plancha grill again, but again, the weather. Oh, I'm going to say that was pretty good timing. Just minutes after I finished, it's now raining. Anyway, for those who have not seen the previous video, I'll show everything that comes with this real quick, and then we're going to fire it up, and we're going to cook a couple steaks. I think I'll throw some veggies and stuff on there, but I wanted to demonstrate it actually cooking. Now it does have the drip pan, which goes on the bottom. I am going to put a piece of foil over the top, which is going to make cleanup a little bit easier. And this one is double the size of the other grill that I did. And again, you get two of those. You do have your forked handle for those. And then you do get a pizza stone, which I do plan to do some pizzas on this here pretty soon. I could always do a quick video for that for anybody interested. Alright, so we'll go ahead and fire this up. Now to fire it up is quite easy. You're going to use a larger tank of propane. If I haven't mentioned it, this does work off of propane. And we got a little handle here right at the top. And just pressing it down is going to do the igniter. And I forgot what the exact temperature is. You could go low or you can go high. And it will go up to 1500 degrees with the high, and it's like a really high heat sear. But I'll show you underneath. You got two ceramic plates, and that's going to get nice and hot here shortly. Now, if I remember correctly, it said for the other one to let it heat up for like 15 minutes or so. I know last time it was really nice and hot within like 5 to 10. I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready, get some foil on that, come back out, and I'll show you putting a couple pieces of meat on here, show you how it works. And I did cut up some like zucchini to throw on there as well. Now what's really nice about these is that even in really cold weather, they still get really hot and they still cook your food really well. My barbecue doesn't really work as well when it's cold. I did miss one more piece. And today I got two nice T-bones. You could also raise this up and down depending on how much heat you want. You could already see the bones separating. Yeah, maybe we want to do some veggies as well. I could put that other tray up there. And let's do some zucchini. It works pretty awesome though doing seared veggies. I'm going to go ahead and take these in while the veggies finish. Those look pretty dang good though. The veggies will cook pretty quickly. This is actually the first time I've tried veggie. So overall it does an awesome job with cooking. It cooks things very quickly, whether it's veggie, steak, doesn't matter what it is. Tomorrow I might do salmon. Maybe I'll do another video if I got some time. If anybody's interested in that. I'll try a salmon in it, see how that works. I do have some other plans for some other meats and stuff as well, and some other veggies, and just different projects that I actually want to try in this. I also will try that pizza too. And with the veggies, I'm pretty happy with that. Now, as for cleanup with this, super simple. I'll show you as soon as it cools down. We'll give it about 20 minutes or so. It might not even take that long out here in this cold. Alright, now cleanup was one of the big concerns that people had. The grill plates, they are definitely going to need to be cleaned, but what's nice is that all of this is dishwasher safe. You could actually take these, you'll throw them in the dishwasher, same with the tray, same with the sides. And if you do use foil, it will make it a little easier to clean up as well. Same thing with the tray. If you use foil, this will be an easy cleanup. These sides just pop right out. And these are also dishwasher safe. Now what's left for cleaning? Not much actually. So we do have some stuff down here at the bottom that will be easily wiped up with a soapy rag. And if we look on the inside, this is actually not bad at all. So just a quick wipe down and we are pretty clean. And just like that, we are cleaned up besides what's going to go in the dishwasher. But if you're trying to decide if you want one of these or not, definitely get you one. They're really cool. They work great. They get really hot. You can cook just about anything that you could cook on a grill or a pan. I'm going to do salmon tomorrow. If I have time, I'll do a video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.